a young girl, me tackle too.
You like young girl?
Yeah, man.
Jesus, please.
Oh yeah.
Alright, here it is. Tell them again. How long you do furniture work?
We're going to check it. 15 and take with 15 from 17. No, 63.
63, yeah?
Yeah, man, 63.
63 years the man I do furniture work. Where him?
Name and car.
Name and Kerr.
Jack. Hot Jack and them. Still fit, you know.
Body still.
Yeah, man, a young
Me see I do the work, so the body must still fit 63 years.
And a young girl, me tackle too.
You like young girls?
Yeah, man.
Jesus, please. People, if you never see the young girl behind the camera,
Yeah,
Jack,
man.
what you say to her, Jack? What you tell her? If I yarn her alone, the right Jack.
When me and her alone,
Yeah.
I tell her something like her, man.
You tell her, say you like her.
I like to visit.
You don't like her for visit you.
Yeah, man. True.
Guys, wanna hear it here so live, you know. Jack, who do furniture work 63 years, like young girls, the shipping company come to deliver a package, and the lady who operates the camera is a nice young girl.
Deliver something.
You want her every year or every week?
No. Week 2 near, man.
The week 2 near, 7 months or so.
Everybody knows that, yeah, man.
The body can't manage every week thing.
No, come here to do the woodwork, the hard.
They would work hard and the other would work hard too.
Work hard, yeah, but it's sweet.
It's sweet, hard, but people, they hear that's a lie, but there's with Jack, aka Young Boy. He might do furniture work for 63 years. Enough respect, sir, we like it. Whole heap of people also make look good.
Yeah, man.
We appreciate
You
it.
do the furniture inside.
You can't do without
as long as you
furniture.
have ambition, you have to come to the woodwork, man.
You hear that? Young lady behind the camera, as long as you have ambition, you have to come to the woodwork, man.
Yeah, man. True.
Alright, tell them bye-bye for me.
Bye-bye and take care, and don't let us stay so long to see you.
Alright, camera lady, she a smile, she love it. Show them Jack work, show them Jack work. She a smile, she love it. Yeah guys, if you want your furniture built, come and check Jack, Young Boy. If you want a good discount, walk with a young camera lady. Alright, catch you guys later. We're on the delivery trail, guys. Before I leave, there's a link in the description box. Click on the link, join us today so you can ship your packages. Come to Marvally, find Jack, make him make your furniture them for you. Alright guys, catch you, we're out, we're on the delivery trail. We're gone later. Bye bye.